So I've actually getting a little bit more scientific here. Got a scale. So right now we'll focus. Okay, it's about 80, maybe 85 grams. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a carefully measured. Actually, this is like what I feel would be a good amount of birdseed to have out for the birdseed. And now the scale is reading just shy of 120 grams. So we've got about 20 grams gram force, I guess you'd call it, pulling down on this, which would be exerted on the flap to hold it closed. So a difference of 20 grams between empty and full. And I can also adjust this lever arm and maybe some more, maybe make a couple more measurements at a little further distance and see the difference there.